Hey, how's everyone? Callahan Welsh here with another useless video for everybody to look up. Anyways, this particular video is for a bicycle and bicycle parts. So basically, I'll be talking about mirrors and the mounts. So really quick, this is what I use, and the company's from Amazon to fit the mirrors. So, and I'll put this one to match with the cell phone holder, and mount these bad boys right here. Bam. So a quick tutorial slash unboxing slash whatever you want to call it. I just hope this helps out the bicycle community. So these are the ones that I use, and they just go right here, anywhere you feel comfortable having it, and then you can rotate the mirror to wherever you want. So I'm gonna install it right now and hope. And so these are the mirrors that I decided to go with to put on this e-bike, and the e-Joe bike, and I figured these would match and make it a little bit cooler because it comes with the chrome or silver, however you want to look at it, and then the white with the white. So let's see. Oh, so as you can see, that doesn't fit. So these are meant for like motorcycle more. These adapter pieces, which I don't need. So yeah, and then you got the nut here to just keep it tight. So let's go as far as can and tighten this down, and there you go. Yeehaw! That's tight. Cool. Alright, that's what it looks like there. I'll put the other one on. So there's the end result. Yeah, looks sick. Alright, there you go. So if you're into those kind of mirrors, I like them. Hello.